question no one could answer. Did you know that Albert Einstein and Sigmund Freud used to be pen pals? Two of the greatest minds in the history. One unlocked the mystery of the universe, the other tried to unlock the mystery of human mind. If you could read the letters exchanged between these two geniuses, what do you think they talk about? Relativity? Dreams? Intelligence? Surprisingly, they talk about war. In 1932, Europe was changing. Political extremism was rising. Nations were yearning. The first sparks of what would be World War II was beginning to reappear. Amid all of this uncertainty, Albert Einstein didn't write to a king. He didn't write to a military commander. He didn't write to a politician. Instead, he wrote to psychologists. His question was simple, yet it remains one of the hardest questions humanity has ever asked. Is there any way of delivering mankind from a menace of war? Einstein believed that if humanity was going to stop destroying itself, perhaps the answer wasn't in the strongest weapon. Perhaps it was hidden somewhere inside the human mind. Freud accepted the challenge, but his reply wasn't the answer Einstein or the world was hoping for. He admitted there was no simple solution. Freud believed that aggression is part of human nature. As long as human beings exist, conflict will always tempt us. What civilization can do, he argued, is strength, reason, culture, education, and band with one another so that aggression doesn't always become violence. Almost a century passed, yet listen to our conversation. Politics has become tribal. Social media rewards outrage. Even disagreement feels like battle that was be won. Sometimes it feels though we became more interested in defeating people than understanding them. Maybe that's why Einstein didn't ask politicians how to stop war. He asked psychologists because every war begins long before first shot of is fired. It begins in fear, in hatred, in pride. In this story, we tell ourselves about us and them. Freud wasn't trying to become a general. Einstein wasn't trying to become a president. They choose different battlefield. The battlefield of ideas. The battlefield of human mind. And maybe that's the lesson we need today. You don't have to fight every political battle you see. But wherever you choose to stand, don't lose the ability to think. Don't let the disagreement turn the humanization. Don't let winning become more important than understanding. Perhaps Freud never gave Einstein the answer he was looking for. But he gave us something equally important. A reminder that we can change the world. We have to understand the mind that keeps creating it.